Why does your big truck engine make strange noises? Imagine cruising down the highway in a big truck and suddenly hearing odd sounds coming from the engine. It can be unsettling, but understanding what those noises mean can save you time and money. Big truck engines, like those in 18-wheelers, produce different sounds when something is off. These noises are signals that something needs attention before it turns into a costly repair. One common cause of strange engine noises is bearing problems. When bearings wear out or fail, they often produce a high-pitched whining or squealing sound during acceleration. Bearings support the crankshaft and camshaft, which are essential for engine operation. If they become loose or damaged, metal parts rub together improperly, creating that annoying noise. Checking and replacing worn bearings early can prevent more serious damage. Another typical sound is pinging or rattling, which happens when the air-fuel mixture ignites too early in the cylinder. This preignition causes pressure waves that make knocking sounds. It can happen if the fuel octane is too low, the engine overheats, or the ignition timing is off. Faulty sensors or a malfunctioning exhaust gas recirculation valve can also cause this. Ignition timing adjustments or using the correct fuel grade can help avoid this noise. Popping or ticking sounds often come from the valve train. The valve train includes parts like camshafts, pushrods, and valves. If these components are loose, worn, or damaged, they fail to operate smoothly. Metal-to-metal contact produces clicking or ticking noises. Regular inspection of these parts and tightening or replacing worn components keeps the engine running quietly. Grinding noises are more serious. They usually mean metal parts inside the engine are grinding against each other. This can happen if pistons, cylinders, or bearings are worn out or if lubrication is lacking. When you hear grinding, it's essential to stop driving and have a mechanic check the engine immediately. Continuing to run the engine can cause severe internal damage. Cooling system issues can also cause strange noises. When the fan clutch engages or disengages, it can produce a rattling or humming sound. These sounds are often heard at high idle or when the engine is warming up. Proper maintenance of the cooling system, including checking the fan clutch and coolant levels, can prevent these noises. Sometimes the exhaust system is the culprit. Loose or damaged exhaust shields or components can rattle or buzz at certain engine speeds. Rusted or bent shields or debris caught in them cause these sounds. Tightening or replacing damaged shields keeps the exhaust system quiet and functioning properly. To keep your big truck engine in good shape, regular maintenance is key. Check oil levels and change the oil as recommended. Inspect belts, bearings, and valves for wear or looseness. Use the right fuel grade to prevent knocking. Keep an eye on engine temperature to avoid overheating. If you notice any strange noises, don't ignore them. Consult a mechanic or run diagnostic checks to find the root cause. Maintaining the cooling system and addressing issues early can save you from costly repairs and keep your truck running smoothly on the road.